In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your ringtone in Microsoft Teams. If you've ever wanted a different sound when someone calls you in Teams, this quick tutorial will walk you through it step by step. Let's start by opening Microsoft Teams. First, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams. Open the app on your desktop or browser and log in with your Microsoft account. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the screen and find your profile picture. Next to it, you'll see three dots. Click on those dots to open the menu, then select Settings. After the Settings window opens, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Calls. This section controls all of your calling preferences in Microsoft Teams. Now, scroll down until you see the ringtone option. By default, Teams uses a standard ringtone, which is probably the one you're used to hearing. To change it, click the drop-down arrow next to the current ringtone. You'll see a list of different ringtone options you can choose from. One of the newest options is called Beep. To preview a ringtone, simply click on its name and then press the play button. You can listen to each sound and compare them until you find the one you like best. Once you've chosen your preferred ringtone, there's nothing else you need to save. The next time you receive a call in Microsoft Teams, you'll hear your newly selected ringtone. And that's it. You now know how to change your ringtone in Microsoft Teams. Stay tuned for next week's quick tip. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos.